Hey Aaron and Anthony, it's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier, Aaron. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 tips so you can easily start beating Westside Roofing. If you type in Cleveland Roofing Company, these guys show up right at the top here. I'm going to show you exactly how easy it would be to copy them and beat them. You're probably asking why I would even make this video for you. I found out a little while ago there's lots of roofers and construction companies that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. The only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Most people just take this information and do it themselves, which is awesome. Some people say, I like you, Devin. I don't have the time to do this. Can you do it for me? And that's cool too. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. I'm only here to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off though, great job on your Facebook page. You guys are obviously very active as far as like the amount of images you put up there. So much trust building going on here, and this is what your customers want to see, and you're getting tons of likes and stuff like that too. So you're very, very popular on Facebook. I don't need to tell you this. Yeah, I'm sure you know. Now, the thing is your website isn't working, and the crazy part is if you have this much action going on, it's going to help you rank your website dramatically. But unfortunately, your website is not working. But you're miles ahead of your competitors just by having this. A lot of times, yeah, it's a lot of like glitches and scammy stuff. Like you see all this that's popping up. Look at this name. So you're like super hacked. So just make sure whoever you pick for your next person is really secure with their servers, and they can prevent you from getting hacked. Because like I've got good stuff on my website or on my computer. I'm not worried about all this giving me spyware, but I know it's going to. I know that anybody who's going to your website is going to get it, but I'll get past that. If you want to beat your competitors, you're going to go to Westside Roofing, and you're going to beat the amount of content they have. So content is all this information you can highlight. And the average website on the front page of Google has 1,500 words. And these guys only have 578. So on your homepage, on your new website, if you get it 1,500 words, you're going to smoke them, and you're going to easily beat them. But you're going to also fit in keywords, which is just a buyer intent keyword is a phrase somebody commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. So I pulled this list for you. Just pause this video and use these keywords so you don't have to go and pay for this service yourself. You can just take all these and put them inside of your content. This will work on your Facebook too. But roofing companies, Cleveland, 250 people put that into Google every month. Cleveland Roofing Company, 200 people put that into Google every month. Cleveland, Ohio roofers, 150 people go put that every month. So if you were putting these inside of your content on your website and on your Facebook page, and you ended up showing first, you'd be showing up first in front of 600 people every month who wanted to purchase roofing in Cleveland. Imagine how crazy that would change your business, right? So just make sure you put those keywords inside of your content. So that's my first tip for you regarding content. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites vouching for your website. Like I said, though, they want to see trustworthy, relevant websites. You're going to get a lot more power with other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't have to pay for this tool. Just Google Backlink Checker. You can see this stuff for free. And it says you have 3 websites. Oh, this isn't you, but this is a competitor of yours in the same area. They don't have very much going on, but Westside Roofing here, these guys have 136 websites linking to them. So when you get your website up and you beat them with content, I would also copy these backlinks, because if these websites are good enough to rank Westside Roofing, they'll be good enough to rank you too. So I would go to each one of these websites the same way they did and put a link on each website back to my own website the same way they did. A lot of times it's really simple, like Expertise, Yellow Pages, Super Pages. You click Get Listed or Sign Up or Join, create a free profile, and then put a link in your profile back to your website. And that's simple. You've got a backlink. So it's really easy to do. It just takes some time. But if you beat your competitors in content and you beat them in backlinks, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically. My last tip is how to show up in the map section. If you want to be number 1 here, you got to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory. And a directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, like Yelp, Yext, Angie, stuff like that. So if I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories First Choice Roofing was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and then add a bunch. If First Choice Roofing was in 150 directories, I'd put myself in at least 300. But that is all I have for you, Aaron. I hope you guys found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep this short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you want 1,500 words of content on your homepage when you build your website, and you want to put keywords inside of that content. Then you want to get the websites that are linking to Westside Roofing and get them linking back to yourself. and put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than First Choice Roofing. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become #1 across the entire front page of Google. Now you're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. The less time you wait to get started, the less catching up you're going to have to do because your competitors are doing this right now. If you have any questions or you want any help getting it done, give me a call at 972-736-8808. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. But it was great speaking to you on the phone earlier, Aaron. I hope this video was helpful for you, Anthony, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. I'll see you later.